Taxi operator shot dead, another man injured in Green Island. 60-year-old taxi operator reported missing. Former ski mask gang member charged with murder of 2 boys and a man. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 37-year-old Adrian Anglin, a taxi operator of Salt Spring, Green Island, Hanover, was shot dead while another man was shot and injured in the Green Island Square in the parish on Friday, November 24. Reports from the Lucy police are that at about 4:50 p.m., Anglin was sitting among a group of people in a car park when he was pounced upon by gunmen traveling in a Toyota Fielder motor car. Reports are that the men alighted from the vehicle and opened fire at the 2 victims. After the shooting subsided, Anglin and another man were seen with gunshot wounds and were taken to hospital where Anglin was pronounced dead and the man was treated. Investigation continues. 60-year-old Paul Escoffery, a taxi operator of Eric Avenue, Kingston 20, has been missing since Friday, November 24. He is of brown complexion, slim build, and about 162 centimeters or 5 feet 4 inches tall. Reports from the Duhaney Park Police are that about 2 p.m., Escoffery was last seen at home wearing a burgundy shirt, black sweatpants, and a pair of black shoes. He has not been heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Paul Escoffery is being asked to contact the Duhaney Park Police at 876-933-4280, the 119 police emergency number, or the nearest police station. A former member of the dreaded ski mask gang was today charged with the triple murder of 2 boys who attended Chetwood Memorial Primary and a man from Flower Hill, St. James. Travis Tummins, who was arrested on November 9 by the St. James Police, was positively identified as the shooter in an ID parade. He was later charged with 3 counts of murder, possession of a prohibited weapon, and using a firearm to commit a felony. Tummins, who has a Flower Hill address, also frequents the Barretown area in St. James, where he was held during a sting operation. More details to come following further investigations.